How to join a group on Memrise. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can join a group on Memrise. Now, before I go further, I must let you know that certain features are only available for those that are on the paid version of applications, right? So in order for you to join a group, it is also a pro feature. So in order for you to join a group, you have to subscribe to the pro feature, and so that once you're logged in on your Memrise account, move to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon, and then you'll be taken to your settings page. On the settings page, go ahead to click on free membership and upgrade. And once you're on the upgrade page, you can go ahead to select the pro version, the pro version that you'd like to subscribe to. So once you've done that, your interface will change, and then by the top part of the screen, you would see the groups tab. Either by the top part of the screen or by the bottom part of the screen, you will see the groups tab. Once you see that, just click on the groups tab, and then you'll be taken to the groups interface where you'll be asked to use the search bar to find groups related to your learning interest. So you can search by group name or by topic. Once you find the group you're interested in, click on it and then select join group or request to join if it's a private group. And then after joining, you can now participate in group activities, discussions, and even track your progress with other members. So that is basically how you can join a group on Memrise. But the key factor is to upgrade to the pro version. Once you've upgraded, the groups tab will be available. Click on it. Use the search icon to search out the groups that you have in mind. Join or request to join, and you'll be allowed in. Thank you for watching and have a good day.